Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then let's enter the settings in this upper panel. Then let's tap on the languages, and as you can see I've got, for some reason, Spanish, so I'd like to change it to English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose, so we can scroll and find it, or simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. So let me find it, and here we've got the keyboard layouts which we can use and choose. It's totally up to you. I will stick with this one, so just mark the option I'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see right now we've got two different languages, so to remove the previous one we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language we'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and now we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.